then you grab a different brush and then like you mix it together. But not fully, just a little mixed. Now we're using some metallic blue. Now up here, you have to make sure you don't mix it too much. And then down here, you grab a little bit of lighter blue and then just gently. And then you go right here and then do the same thing this way. But if it comes like this, then use a dry brush and then go like. So this is the result. So I mixed it with different brushes. But if you want the texture like those, that's lighter of the color. I'm sorry, it's a secret. So we took very dark brown and then we just went like with this kind of thing. We went like this and then you go up and down. And every time you have to take more brown and then just keep going. As you can see, I finished my mountain, but now I'm gonna look through my paintbrushes and then I'll find something like this. And then I'll just go like. So you just very smoothly, just like that.
Blend
in. And you can make your mountains however you want. You don't have to do it just like this. And now we'll take some burnt sienna and some dark brown and mix them together. Take some of this and then just go down. And we just go like, just dab it, just dab it. And here we took white and used this, and then we just put it on top of the layer that we just did. But make sure you can still see the before layer. Now I added some burnt sienna, some dark brown, and then some yellow ochre. And then you just mix it with a brush. And then you pick it up with this, and then you put it on the painting to add a little bit of shadow. So we took some white, and then we put it here on the mountains, just like that. And then you can add some around here too. And then you have to take a clean, dry brush and just brush it like you mean it. Okay, yes. Now we took some yellow ochre, and some of the light brown, and then we just went like, try to like make it go upwards. Now take a dry brush and just
blend.
First we take some dark brown, then some metallic blue, then some forest green, and then we mix it together like so. Okay, so once you're done mixing, you get a fan brush, and then you pick it up and go right here, and then just like so. Then you just go like that. Make as many as you want. And then make sure the bottom is thicker than the top. And then you just take a thick brush and then just down really slowly. Well, not really slowly, just like not very much. So here we kind of like make it come in. Now you just quickly dab here some white and blue mixed, and then you just bring it down a little bit. Now I put a waterfall by using some white, and then you bring straight down and then just dab it down here. And then I put just a little bit here by the waterfall so it looks like the waterfall's behind. So this color you make with just some forest green and some white. Now the forest green with white plus some lemon yellow. So we take this color and then we put it on this side. So now we took some green and then added yellow without the green, just a little bit, and then now we take a brush kind of like this. I'll just take a little bit of the color off. And then you take this brush and then pull it down a little bit. The green, just pull it down. Now we took some white, put it on one of these. Now we're just making some reflections. So we'd put something here because of the waves. And then I just put a very tiny one right there. Now we're doing some dark brown and some forest green. So how you make these trays is just you put here a little line and then you just go like, and then make it bigger and bigger and bigger. Now you take the same green as you took for those trees and then you just tap it right here. So we took some forest green and lemon yellow and mixed it. And then we just tapped it on this fluffy tree and then over here too. And then we take a little bit more yellow and just put it there. And now I'm taking white and I just there and then a little there and there. And just tiny bit here. Oh. And there. And then I ditch all the white off. Then I make the brush a little bit wet and then I put some of the wetness off onto a towel. And then I just go like. So we made this little house with dark brown and then added some light brown. And then you make some of this. The cabin's gone. So we're just going to add some yellow flowers. So I took some brown with this and then we just go in like that. But you only tap it. Don't like that, just like that. And then I took some yellow and then I just tapped it to make some flowers. And now I'm gonna make some blue flowers. Now we're putting a little lighter green, just like so. So now we did the trees. They're highlighted now. But make sure you don't put too much on or it might look weird. So here we just made a tree. First we put black right there. And then we just did like this and then it got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. But don't just do lines, like tap the lines. And that's it. It has my signature. And we just made that tree. Wait, I already showed you that. I just added a little color to the water and we're finished. Thank you, bye.